Find features that distinguish it from other brands for DZA Mini Projector with Wi-Fi, outdoor portable projector, supports 1080p with synchronized smartphone screen. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Wi-Fi connectivity and screen mirroring. The mini projector supports Wi-Fi wireless connectivity and is compatible with Android, iPhone, Windows, free from cable restrictions. When a Wi-Fi environment is not available, you can easily connect the Wi-Fi projector to your device using the Lightning, USB, Type-C to HDMI adapter, not included. Supports 1080p Full HD projection. This portable movie projector supports 1920x 1080p resolution with 22 to 170-inch screen displays. Whether indoors or outdoors, it delivers a cinematic experience with lifelike, dynamic, and colorful projected image quality. The perfect gift for family and friends. Portable movie projector. With its small size, 5.63 x 3.78 x 2.28 inches, and weight of just 0.75 pounds, the pocket outdoor projector can be packed in your bag and carried around with you. And with support for DC power and charging modes, it can be powered by a mobile phone charger, car charger, or via the micro USB port, 5V/2 amp support required. Let you build your own home theater as you wish and enjoy movie nights with family and friends. Low noise hi-fi stereo speakers. The outdoor projector is equipped with a cooling fan system that intelligently dissipates heat and reduces fan noise by 80%. The built-in stereo surround speakers provide high-quality, loud sound without the need to connect external speakers. This smart projector can also cater for home and outdoor cinema, wedding receptions, teaching, and creative needs. Wide range of compatibility and applications. This portable video projector features HDMI, audio, USB ports and supports Roku sticks, Fire TV sticks, gaming consoles, PCs, smartphones and laptops, DVD players, and USB memory sticks and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.